The hidden side of AI. Have you ever felt like your phone is listening to you? You talk about something and suddenly you see an ad for it. It's not magic, and it's not a coincidence. It's the quiet takeover of AI, and it's happening right now, mostly without us even noticing. Think about your social media feeds or the videos recommended to you right here. Who do you think decides what you see next? It's not a person in a control room, it's a sophisticated AI. These algorithms are designed to keep you watching, clicking, and scrolling. They learn your habits, your likes, and your dislikes, creating a personalized bubble of content just for you. This isn't just about entertainment. It's about shaping your reality, influencing your opinions, and guiding your purchasing decisions. AI is the silent gatekeeper of the information you consume. And it's not just online. The world of work is being completely reshaped. From automated customer service chats to AI software that helps doctors diagnose diseases, the changes are massive. Repetitive tasks are being handed over to machines, which can be great for efficiency. But it also raises big questions about job security and the future skills we'll all need. Are we prepared for a workforce where humans collaborate with AI, or are we being slowly replaced? This shift is happening faster than any industrial revolution before it. Let's be honest, for many of us, it's already hard to imagine a day without AI. It's the GPS that gets us to our destination, the spam filter that cleans our inbox, and the virtual assistant that plays our favorite music. It has seamlessly woven itself into the fabric of our daily routines. We rely on it for convenience, for efficiency, for connection. This dependency is growing stronger every single day. We've handed over countless small decisions to algorithms, but at what point does convenience start to chip away at our own ability to think and choose for ourselves? This brings us to a fundamental question. Are we gaining freedom, or are we learning obedience? AI offers incredible tools that can free up our time and enhance our creativity, but the algorithms that power these tools are often black boxes. We don't know why they make certain recommendations or decisions. Are we becoming more like skilled masters of new technology, or are we becoming more like well-managed users, following the digital paths laid out for us? The line is becoming increasingly blurry, and it's a conversation we all need to be having. So, here's the final thought I want to leave you with. This isn't a message of doom and gloom, but a call to be aware. AI is a powerful tool, one of the most powerful humanity has ever created. The real challenge isn't the technology itself, but how we choose to use it and the rules we set for it. We need to be active participants, not passive consumers. We need to ask the tough questions and demand transparency. The future of AI is the future of humanity, and it's a future we should all have a say in creating. Thanks so much for watching. If this video made you think, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology shaping our world. Let me know your thoughts on AI in the comments below. See you in the next one.